Hey guys, so I'm recording right now. This is my first recording, on my YouTube channel, and, so I'm playing Minecraft right now, and yeah, I'll just show you some of my texture packs, and, some of my, I'll fight some mobs or something. I don't know what I'm going to be doing, but yeah, so yeah, this is my first record now. Okay, so I'm going to set day and night. Oh, oops, I have to set the layout to this. There we go. Now I can set it to night. There we go. Okay, so this is my texture pack I got. Well, it's not mine. It's just this one. You can get it. These are my packs. I'll use them in the video. Oh, great! It's raining now. It's great. But yeah, I actually, I guess I could PvP on a PvP server. But yeah, so I guess I'll do some build UHC. Okay, I'm not the best at PvP, but I mean, I guess I could be good. And I just got on this new computer, I think yesterday. All these guys are good. Oh man. Okay. So that first one sucked. So yeah, I kind of suck. I suck because I had to change my sprint to shift instead of L control, because when I do L control, it doesn't let me hit. So yeah, I don't know when I'm going to end this recording, but I guess I'll do one more fight and then I'll probably end off the recording. And I'm going to be playing with my friend Septic Rain. You can go sub to his YouTube channel if you want to. So no one's joining post. Okay. Oh, I'm gonna change my texture box. So, sorry. Okay, I'm gonna change it to this one. This one I like. It's pretty cool. Can I join potion, please? Server. Wrong. There we go. Okay. And you're good. I don't really talk while I'm fighting, so yeah. Oh, this guy's really good. why even. I don't think I'm going to beat this guy. I need to eat. Oh, geez. Sorry if you're hearing my clicking and keyboard. My mouse and keyboard are really loud. Yeah, this guy's really good. For my recording, this guy is my no, hold on. Oh, okay. Yep, one pot left. Come on! Okay, GG. How much? Oh my. Okay, yeah. Okay. So I'm going to end my video off here. I hope you guys enjoyed. I'm going to be recording maybe on Saturday or Sunday. And yeah. Oops. And yeah, so bye guys.